Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, magluto ako ngayon ng gulay. Gulay and egg only. Yan. This is stir-fried toge with sayote and egg. These are my ingredients. Nasa description po. Yan. Actually, this kind of food, pwede ka maglagay ng meat, either pork, beef, chicken. Yan. Pwedeng crab meat, pwedeng shellfish din, yung mussel, yung tahong, or di kaya oyster. And crab meat pwede din. Yan. Or mga ham, mga sausage pwede. Yan. So, ayan. Mag-start na ako sa pagluluto. Fry lang ng bawang, ng sibuyas. Yan. Then, after mag-brown ng ating garlic and the onions, i-add natin yung bean sprout and of course the sayote. Easy to cook lang tong gulay ko ngayon. 2-minute stir fry is okay. Mas masarap yung sayote na medyo crunchy pag kinain mo pa. Pwede silang isabay dahil easy to cook lang din yan siya. Cook in a high heat, of course. And then I'll add some sugar, some teaspoon of sugar and salt. Yung salt yung nauna, and then the sugar, and then some black pepper powder. Yan. Pwedeng lagyan mo ng tubig, pwede ring hindi. If mag-a-add ka ng tubig, kailangan ilimit mo lang dahil yung bean sprout nagwa-watery yun. Pero sa akin ayaw kong maglagay, so stir fry lang, later magwa-watery yung bean sprout. Yan. Pwede mo rin pala siya lagyan ng ng shrimp or hipon. Yan. It's up to you kung anong gusto mong pangsangkap dito, but for now, yung sa akin gusto ko is egg lang. Medyo nagda-diet ako sa meat. Yun. Itong gulay lang ako muna, and then some egg of course. Yan. So, takpan lang natin yan in a span of 2 minutes. Tatapos na rin. And then, medyo na siya. Medyo turned into soft. But not too soft, of course. Pwede ka maglagay ng sabaw if you want. Gusto mo nang may sabaw ba? It's okay. Pero sa akin, mas gusto ko medyo dry ang pagkakaluto. Masarap din to pag may sabaw, actually. Yan. Especially with meat, of course. Pero dahil itlog lang ang gusto ko nilagay, so yan lang, konting gisa, mix lang, and that's it. Few minutes of toss and turn of the gulays and the egg, tapos na. Yan. So this is my lunch for today. Kayo, anong lunch nyo? Ito yung akin, the tauge, sayote and egg lang. Yan po. Konting asin, konting paminta, konting sugar, yung not too salty, not too sweet. Medyo may may lasa konti. So that's it. Salamat po. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone.